Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of electric mobility with the brand new 2025 Metro electric motorbike. This bike is making waves in the industry with its sleek design, powerful performance, and eco-friendly engineering. If you're looking for a cutting-edge electric motorbike that delivers both speed and efficiency, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Metro electric motorbike features a futuristic yet practical look, perfect for urban commuting and long rides alike. With its aerodynamic body, sharp LED lighting, and a digital instrument cluster, this bike blends style with functionality. The frame is built with lightweight but durable materials, ensuring strength without compromising speed. The low center of gravity and well-balanced structure make handling smooth and effortless, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Now, let's talk about the heart of the bike, the battery and motor. The Metro electric motorbike is powered by a high-performance lithium-ion battery pack, offering an impressive range of up to 150 miles on a single charge. Charging is also incredibly convenient, with fast charging capabilities that allow you to get up to 80% charge in just 45 minutes. This means less time waiting and more time riding. The battery is designed for longevity, ensuring a lifespan of several years with minimal maintenance. The motor on this bike is nothing short of exceptional. With a peak power output of 10 kilowatts, it delivers instant torque, making acceleration smooth and powerful. The Metro electric motorbike can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric bikes in its category. The top speed is around 85 miles per hour, which is perfect for both city rides and highway commutes. The bike also features multiple riding modes, including Eco, Standard, and Sport, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their needs. When it comes to braking and safety, the Metro electric motorbike is equipped with a dual-disc braking system with regenerative braking technology. This not only provides excellent stopping power but also helps recharge the battery every time you slow down. The bike includes ABS and traction control, ensuring maximum stability and safety even in challenging road conditions. The suspension system is designed for comfort, with adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock that absorbs bumps effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Metro electric motorbike is its smart connectivity. The bike comes with a fully digital touchscreen dashboard that provides real-time data on speed, battery level, navigation, and riding stats. It also supports smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing riders to control music, take calls, and receive notifications without taking their hands off the handlebars. The built-in GPS system ensures you never lose your way, while the anti-theft system with remote locking gives you peace of mind when parking in public areas. Charging the Metro electric motorbike is easier than ever. It comes with a standard home charging kit that allows you to plug it into any regular outlet. For those who need faster charging, the bike is compatible with public fast charging stations, significantly reducing downtime between rides. Plus, with energy-efficient regenerative braking, you can maximize battery life while riding. In terms of cost-effectiveness, the Metro electric motorbike is a game-changer. Unlike traditional gasoline bikes, it requires minimal maintenance, no oil changes, no fuel costs, and fewer moving parts that could wear out over time. This means lower long-term expenses and a reduced carbon footprint. Many cities and governments also offer incentives for electric vehicle owners, making it even more affordable in the long run. Riding an electric bike isn't just about saving money, it's also about making an impact on the environment. The Metro electric motorbike produces zero emissions, helping reduce air pollution and dependence on fossil fuels. With the world shifting towards sustainable transportation, this bike is a step in the right direction for a cleaner, greener future. The Metro electric motorbike is designed for all kinds of riders. Whether you're a daily commuter, an adventure enthusiast, or someone looking to switch to electric for the first time, this bike delivers an incredible experience. With its powerful motor, long battery range, advanced safety features, and smart connectivity, it stands out as one of the best electric bikes of 2025. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on electric vehicles. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Metro electric motorbike and if you'd consider making the switch to electric. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.